Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your anti-aliasing setting in Alchemy Factory. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From there, make sure you're in the Graphics tab. Here you can change your anti-aliasing method. You can disable it, set it to FXAA, TAA, MSAA or TSR. Now, I know that this doesn't mean much by itself, but honestly, it doesn't change much between between those options. There is no there is a difference, but it isn't noticeable. Not in a game as performance optimized as Alchemy Factory. So I recommend either turning it to one of those or simply disable it if you wish to save on performance even more. Once you made your choice, simply press the back button and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.